Hello,
Hello,
welcome back to
drawing with Jackson and Dad.
today we're going to draw
Pig.
a pig. You guys ready? Here we go. Get your pens out. First thing we're going to do is draw the eyes of the pig. So this is going to be a goofy looking pig. So I'm going to start with his eyes right about here. I'm going to do a pretty big eye. And then I'm going to do a little eye right next to it, but only half.
This side?
Yep. And then I'm going to give him a dot in the middle and a dot in the middle. Now I'm going to come up from right here and go 1, 2. That's it, stop. Then I'm going to make a soft triangle that's upside down like this. Soft. Kind of looks like that Star Trek. I don't know if you've ever seen Star Trek, but it kind of looks like the Star Trek badge that the guys in Star Trek wear on their chest. I'll have to show you that later. So that's his nose. So on his nose, I'm going to make a big circle there for a nostril on the one side. And then a big circle on the other side. And then if you want, just to make it a closed nostril, I make one little thing there and another little thing there, and that kind of makes it a closed nostril. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a his mouth go down. You can make him smiling or you can make him not smiling. I'm going to have him kind of have like a frowny face. But you can do whatever you want. There you go, happy. Now I'm going to go right about here and make his lower lip kind of come down like this. Good. Now I'm going to...
He looks like a frog kind of right now.
I know, he does. Now I'm going to give him, let me see, where am I going to go from this point? I think I'm going to go from the top of his nose. I'm going to go up and make an arc that kind of matches the arc of his eye. And just stop. There you go. Now I'm going to leave a space. And I'm going to make another line right there.
For his eyebrow?
Nope. I'll show you what this is going to be. And then this line is going to go all the way down to way below his chin line. So you're going to go, yeah, right, exactly, like down there and start right there and then go way out like that and come down. Perfect. Swing it around, swing it around, swing it around. Good. Oh, yours is going to be good. Now, the reason I left these two little spaces
for his ears is
I'm going to put an ear like that. I'm going to put a little lip. Here's what the lip's for. I'm going to put a lip and then come around like this and come back to that space. Swing out and come back to that space. Same thing on this. We're going to do the same kind of ear. It doesn't have to be the same kind of angle. You can just kind of make it. I'm going to have it falling down a little farther. Then I'm going to do a little backward 6.
Peacocks. We're at my grandma's house and she has peacocks around her house, so
she does. I can
you might hear them in the background.
Another little 6 like that.
One almost touched me this morning.
Really?
His beak went like...
Maybe we'll do a peacock drawing.
Yeah.
And then eyebrow, eyebrow. Excellent job, Jackson. So now for the other side of the pig, I'm going to just see this line, how it kind of comes to there? We're going to draw a line. We're going to pretend that the line is back here.
Imaginary line.
Imaginary line. And kind of come down here and finish this circle. Awesome. Now I'm going to give him 4 short little legs. 2 on that side and 2 on this side. That looks really funny. Now I'm going to give him a little tail, except this tail is going to come around. It's going to be like, how can I explain it? Like a curly Q, like curly fries. So the way you do this is you want to come around like this. Stop right there. It's kind of like an E that's on its side. Stop. And now I'm going to do right below that line, I'm going to do another E that's going to follow that line, keeping that distance all the way around like that. So it's like a block letter E. And then I'm going to put a little point with an imaginary line behind. So that's his tail. And then what I'm going to do is give him his little cheek line, which would kind of go like this. Good, good. Yours is awesome, dude. Looks different than mine, but really cool. Now I'm going to have him sitting in mud, or standing in mud. So the way I'm going to do mud, I'm going to start with a dot there, and I'm going to, you don't have to put a dot, that's a locator dot. I'm going to make kind of like he's in a pile of mud.
Looks like water. The mud is water.
Mud is water and what?
Dirt.
Dirt.
It's really big up here.
And then I'm going to put a little sign here. I'm going to put a line like that. And then a line like this.
Like a house.
Kinda. You'll see what I'm doing. And a line that follows the other line down like this. And then come up like this. This is a sign that's in perspective. So I'm going to have 2 lines come out from that sign. And I'm going to meet those lines.
3D.
Kind of like 3D. Now the sign has to have a post. So I'm going to have a post kind of like that. You need one more to show the 3D side of the post. And then you already have your ground there. I'm going to add some more ground to show that.
Can we put something on the side?
You can put whatever you want. You know what I'm going to put on the sign?
What?
Pig pen. Because that's what he's in. So I'm going to do my letters. Pig. Pen.
Pig. Pen. Avenue.
Avenue. Wow.
Hope I spelled that right.
I'm going to do my imaginary line. You did spell that right.
Yay.
I'm going to do my imaginary line for the back of this post. I'm going to draw the top of the post up here. Then I'm going to just do some little lines here just to show that it's like an old piece of wood. And also I'm going to show wood grain down like this. Have you ever seen wood grain? Kind of has like little designs in it.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna put a little pig pen.
Where he lives?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Kind of like Larry the Pig in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that too. Can I do that too?
Mhm.
Would that be copying you too much?
You can do it.
It's okay to copy.
And then I'm gonna put a flag. There's chemical concentration. Oh. Oink.
I'm gonna call my pen. I'm gonna call my pig something. What should I call my pig? I don't want to call him Larry because Larry's been taken. I'm gonna call my pig Julius. I like that name, Julius. Julius. Julius.
There's some beds of stuff.
Should I put a flag too? What's on your flag? A pig?
Yeah.
Cool. I think I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do an overhanging tree behind my pig here.
Can I do a tree too?
You can do whatever you want.
I'm gonna put a left and swirling that way. That doesn't really look like a tree, but let's make that. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's their feeding machine. Drop the food in.
Okay.
1, 2, 4, 5. There's like the ones. You could start beds and stuff.
Is that a window on the side, or is that what is that?
Another door.
Oh, another door. He's got 2 doors. They'll have good air conditioning, airflow, because he's stinky, so he probably needs good airflow. I really like that pig you did. I think it's time to color as soon as you're done with your son, the Jackson son that he always puts in, but he's a happy son this time.
I'm gonna name my pig Daddy. Dad.
Daddy pig?
Dad.
Dad? He's gonna call him Dad?
Yeah. And Jackson. And
Dad and Jackson? They both live in the same little house?
yeah.
All right, so we're gonna color now.
And you guys can follow along. We go really fast, so because I speed the video up. Follow along. Do your own colors. I think pigs are pink or gray, or some pigs are black, aren't they? But you can do anything you want. I'm going to do mine pink, just because I think pink pigs look cool.
Okay, I think I'm done. You done?
Yeah.
Of course you're done. You beat me by a lot. What do you got going on here? What's this here?
Barbecue.
Barbecue? He barbecues himself?
Yeah.
I mean, he barbecues for himself?
That would hurt.
That would hurt.
Yeah,
So he looks like he got sunburned.
Yeah.
Was he standing in front of that barbecue? No, that's a really bright pink. I love your bright pink.
And well, Dad's cooking for Jackson.
Oh, well, that's normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. If you want to send us your pigs, not real ones, just your drawings, be sure
Or
to
you can send us your real pigs if you have one.
send them to this email right here above Jackson's
Why
head.
does it always have to be above my head?
Okay, we can put it above my head here.
No, I want it above my head.
Well, sure. Okay, let me.
Okay, two.
There you go. All right, you guys. See you next time. Send us your drawings if you want. Send us an email if you want. Subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about it. Tell your family about it.
I got a wiggly tooth.
And we'll eventually see Jackson without a tooth. Tooth? Did I say tooth or tooth? Tooth. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.